they do, man? This is your boy DEEentrepreneur, man. I just pulled up to the yard, man. We looking real muddy. You know what I'm saying? We looking real muddy. And I done came out here clean in my patent leather 11s, man. Mud transport looking real muddy. Hey. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I ain't cranked my truck up in about a week, man. It's been about a week. Damn, I'm locked out my damn door. Hold on. There we go. We tripping. It's been about a week, man. That boy DEEentrepreneur has not crunked his truck up in about a week. But we still been working though. I just been working on the office side, on the business side, but we out here working. You know what I'm saying? Mud transport is always running, you know. But, hey, I gotta go do some work. Hey, requiring me to crank my truck up, man, and it's not running no load. Nope. I gotta damn go fix a trailer. I gotta go fix a trailer. One of my trailers got a hole in the floor. You know what I'm saying? I done already called up my trailer repair people. I told them, hey, I gotta come through. I got an emergency job real quick. We gotta get this floor patched back up so we can put it right back on the road. So what DEEentrepreneur gotta do? Gotta come crank up this monster real quick. Now, let's see if my baby crank and she hasn't been crunk up in over a week. Yeah, I'm confident that my baby gonna crank up. It's been what, over a week? You know what I'm saying? I'm confident my old school hog gonna crank up. What? Don't play with me. Don't play with DEEentrepreneur. Hey, come on, baby, let's go. Oh! Wow! Man! That's how it's supposed to crank up. Just like that. Yeah! And just like that, my baby cranked up, fired right on up. First start, as she's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? I haven't cranked my truck up in over a week, man. You know what I'm saying? DEEentrepreneur haven't really been running no loads, no. But the company's still been running. I haven't been running. I've been handling stuff on the business side, you know. But we had to crank that thing up today, man, because DEEentrepreneur got to go move one of his trailers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got some work to do. You know what I'm saying? We got to go move one of these trailers, patch it up, get it right, so she can go right back on the road to make some more money. You feel me? Hey, y'all make sure y'all keep them good batteries in y'all trucks, man. Cause look, my truck been sitting through cold days, all kind of days, you know what I'm saying? And she still cranked right on up, first try. You feel me? Oh yeah, we ain't worrying about them. We ain't worrying about them. Yeah. Yeah. She running, sounding good, sounding like the monster that she's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? Truck 404. Hey man, y'all see me on the road. Y'all make sure y'all throw a couple of honks at your boy. You know what I'm saying? We honking back. Hey, you feel me? We about to go ahead and head to this, to go pick up my trailer from around the corner and then go take that to the shop. And I'll be right back with y'all, man. Catch me at the shop, at the trailer repair shop, getting that thing repaired. Day in the life, man, of being a fleet owner. This is part of it, you know? I ain't expect to move and go do nothing. But hey, this is what I got to do. And this is what we going to do to keep everything turning, keep that money earning. You know what I'm saying? So this is your boy DEEentrepreneur, man. Hey, holla back at y'all at the trailer repair spot. Boom. Hey, man, hey, we back. I told y'all, man, hey, we'll be right back as we pull up at my trailer repair shop, man. Hey, when you own this equipment and stuff out here, man, when you out here, you know, maneuvering and buying equipment, you want to run a fleet, you want to be an owner operator, you want to buy equipment and have trailers and all this stuff. Hey, man, this is part of the game, and this what comes with this. You see this? You see this? You see this shit? Hey, this is why you inspect your trailer after every load. You do a walkthrough, you inspect, so you know who's at fault. You know what I'm saying? Because it wasn't like this before my trailer got loaded. Hey, because they wouldn't even have loaded the trailer if the floor was looking like that. So, that boy DEEentrepreneur about to go ahead and get it fixed. I'm about to go ahead and get it repaired. And then I'm about to hit them good old people up that's gonna have to repay for what I spent because I didn't damage. Y'all peoples did. Y'all know which receiver y'all was. Y'all know who it is, man. Hey, y'all gonna have to go ahead and spend that bread because I gotta spend this bread out my pocket because we gotta go and keep this thing rolling right now. You know what I'm saying? So, this is why you inspect your trailer, you do walkthroughs on your trailers, you see what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? See, I done already repaired the floors and stuff and got some floor work done right there. I'm about to go ahead and get some stuff touched up, man. It looks but it's really good. It just look all scratched up and all that stuff, all that, you know, the wood and got scratched up from unloading and loading and stuff like that, but it's good. But we still gonna get some things worked on. But this right here, oh man, I could buy, oh shit, almost got that, almost bust my ass in there. That is a no-go. We about to get that fixed right now. So man, this is just a day in the life, man, of being a fleet owner and having your own equipment. So just remember that, man, all the new owners and operators and stuff out there, y'all wanna grow and expand and buy equipment, you know, hey, this is just part of the game. This is what come with it, you know, repairs and expenses. So you got to be ready. You got to have that bag put up, you know what I'm saying, for stuff like this. Hey, so I just want to show y'all, hey, and we gonna come right back. We're gonna come right back again when they start working on it. Hey, it's gonna be a little bit of time for me because I'm waiting, but y'all about to see, we're gonna be right back, man. This your boy DEEentrepreneur. Man, y'all see this, man? Oh yeah, that real work right here now. Oh yeah. Yeah, man, so as y'all see, hey, we getting some real repair work done real quick on these floors, man. When you making the money, hey, stuff happen, you gotta put it back into the business. You gotta put it back into what's making you the money. Don't wait for it. Y'all see that? Right there. That's where we already had got some work done right there previously. So like I said, my floor just got damaged yesterday. Now here we are today, up early in the morning, we getting it fixed. We getting it done because that's just all part of the business. That's all part of what mud transportation is all about, man. We got it out the mud. And I will continue getting it out the mud, man, so my kids will no longer have to do that. So this is why I put everything into my company. This is what you got to do. This is all part of, you know, running a fleet. That's why I have runafleet.com. You can get that link in the description below, man. If you want to learn how to start a trucking company, if you want to learn how to successfully dispatch trucks, other people's trucks, you might have a company, you might want to learn how to dispatch for yourself, whatever, runafleet.com. You can learn how to start a company from A to Z, and you can learn how to dispatch trucks from A to Z, okay? I have that course below, and I also have one-on-one that comes with that course as well, all right? So I have a lot of experience with doing this, you know what I'm saying? So this is why I document and put it out there for you guys, man. You know, and I'm just showing y'all a day in the life. I talk to you in the office. I talk to you outside in the field. I talk to you about the numbers in these loads. I talked to you about Amazon when we did that and destroyed that. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm talking to you about as running with these trailers. You know what I'm saying? And I have five of these trailers. You know what I'm saying? So it all comes with maintenance. It all comes with maintenance. It all comes with patience. It all comes with staying down, staying consistent, staying persistent through the bullshit. You got to always remember that. Stack your money, like I always say. So when things like this happen, when things like this happen, you always prepare for the repairs, you know? So, hey, I just want y'all to remember that for all the new owners coming out there. Don't be blowing money fast like BMF. No, you running a business, man, and you got to put back. You got to put up, which is the money, so you can put back into your business. You know, you got to reinvest, and you also got to be able to put back to put up for those repairs and stuff like that are going to happen. Okay? All right? Hey, what else I got for y'all, man? Also, hey, y'all make sure, hey, man, first of all, hey, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's good for the YouTube algorithm, man. I drop this content, man, for y'all, you know, because it ain't really so much for me. I enjoy doing it, but I drop it for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So for all my people getting it out the mud out there, man, hey, I'm coming right back to y'all soon, man. Y'all already know, man. Hey, this is your boy, DEEentrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at DEEentrepreneur, okay? And I'm signing out, man. Hey, screw! Yeah. I'm a money machine.